What do you say about infidelity? I've worked with couples where one person has had an affair, and they always come in asking, "Is there any hope for us? What do you see people who are successful get through this?" So, what do you say to that?
I've helped many couples with infidelity because it is possible, but it does require a serious commitment to a therapeutic process that is sometimes long term to really understand that an affair is generally not something that occurs in a vacuum. So, helping the partner who was cheated on also understand that they have to make changes in the relationship as well, that's the tedious part because a lot of times they just want to annihilate the partner who cheated. You're bad, you're bad, you're bad. Shame them, humiliate them, and punish them over and over again. Okay, the event has occurred. Now, is that partner willing to absolutely break off all ties with the affair? Like 100%. Can they, if they haven't already, then they do that closure with that person in front of their partner. So that partner gets to really see that I'm just going to say it's the husband, that the husband means business. He's really going to end this. And then he has to understand that he has to be as transparent as possible for months, months and months and months. And that's often offensive to people because I'm not doing it anymore. I want my privacy.
What do you consider transparency? Because there's always a discussion about that.
Location on the phone, being able to read and access text messages, emails at any time, phone records. So the partner gets a sense that you mean it. You really want to heal with me.
Right.
The partner who's cheated on needs to make a commitment to not continue to harass about what has already happened. You have to have a breathing time to be able to speak about and really be able to express and get a partner to be able to be empathetic and compassionate to the damage they've created, to the consequences.
And the partner probably cannot be empathetic if they're met with anger and
True.
resentment, right?
Absolutely, so true. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, a soft voice and actually talking about, look, when this occurred, I interpreted that to mean blah blah, and I feel this about it. That's a I statement. That's saying this is the impact on me, as opposed to you're a lousy son of a bitch. Can I say that on
Sure.
YouTube? Okay.
No, it's my
Instead
show.
of saying you're a lousy son of a bitch, or saying hateful things.
Yeah.
So it also requires the one who was cheated on to also be able to deliver empathy. My husband was hurting so badly at the loss of our communication because I was snubbing him. I spent more time with my friends and I neglected him because I was angry at him because he wasn't doing things my way. Oh, okay. Well, now you understand how he felt. He felt distance.
Mm-hmm.